point lies on the line defined by 2x minus 8y is equal to negative 4. Now to decide which point lies on the line, we can do two things. First, we can graph it and see which of those points are on the line. But because we have fractions in there, it's going to be challenging. We can just plug them in instead. So we can graph it or plug it in. In this case, because of the fractions, we're just going to plug it in. Once we plug it in, it should give you a true statement. The x, so for letter A, we have 2x minus 8y is equal to negative 4. And let's go and label your work. X is 1/2, y is negative 1. Now to multiply, I multiply over 1 and I can just multiply across, or I can simplify. The 2's cancel, and just 1 divided by 1 is 1. Plus 8, is that equal to negative 4? No. And then we're going to continue to letter B. 2 multiplied by 1/4 minus 8 multiplied by negative 1 is equal to negative 4. So instead of the x will be 1/4, instead of the y will be negative 1. Well, place over 1, and I can cross simplify, or I can multiply 2 times 1 is 2 divided by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Plus 8, is that going to be equal to negative 4? No. And if you notice, this will be 1/2. So that should give you a clue that it's not going to add up to negative 4. So let's try letter C. Remember that it's important to organize your work, so just in case you make a mistake, you can easily go back and see if you can find it. Letter C. 2x minus 8, y is equal to negative 4. So x is negative 1, y is 1/2. That gives me a negative 2. I'm going to place over 1. I can cross simplify if I want to, or I can multiply 8 times 1 is 8, 1 times 2 is 2. Negative times a positive is a negative. So it gives me negative 2 minus 4. Is that equal to negative 4? No. Does negative 6 equal to negative 4? No. So C is not an answer. So let's try letter D. I'm going to plug in a negative 1. So for letter D, 2x minus 8, y is equal to negative 4. X is negative 1, y is 1/4. That gives me negative 2. I'm going to place over 1. That is negative 8. 1 times 4 is 4. That gives me negative 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 4. Yes. So therefore your answer is D.